The ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has seen higher interest from buyers for land or residential plots for long-term investment. Buyers are searching plot layouts where basic infrastructure such as road, electricity and water supply etc. are provided by developers. However, buyers' preference is skewed towards reputed real estate developers due to many reasons. Hello friends, welcome to MBTV and today we are going to discuss prospects of buying plots in Greater Noida area, demand drivers, affordable pricing, bigger size plots, proposed infrastructure projects, good returns on investment. In a recent survey carried out by Magic Bricks, the most preferred property type after flats was plot. More than 50% responded wanted to buy either plot or independent houses. What makes Greater Noida a preferred destination for plot buyers?
So individual investors and home buyers, they're looking at Greater Noida plots because so many great announcements have been made about this particular region. Right from the announcement of the international airport at Jewar, the second one being the ambitious Film City project to the data center. So this area enjoys a great future as far as investment is concerned, and that's the reason many end users, home buyers, investors, they're looking for plotted developments in this region.
Greater Noida offers affordable and attractive price points for bigger size residential plots as compared to other locations in Noida, Delhi, Ghaziabad and Gurugram. Preferred locations to buy residential plots are Noida Expressway, Greater Noida West and various sectors spread across this region.
Plus, in comparison to the price which the neighboring real estate hubs like Noida and Gurgaon would offer, Greater Noida still enjoys a price advantage which neither of the real estate destinations like Noida and Gurgaon would not offer. I think also the COVID-19 pandemic, it has pushed the investor mindset into a scenario where they are looking for either ready to move in or plotted development, and they don't want to go with under construction properties.
Residential plots are available in the sizes of 100 square yards to 500 square yards. Agriculture lands are being sold here as plots by farmers which can range between Rs 5 lakh to 20 lakh. However, the Greater Noida Industrial Development Authority approved plots may cost you between Rs 50 lakh to 2.5 crore depending on the locations, plot size and amenities available nearby. One can construct ground plus 3 floors on residential plots here. However, on bigger size plots, ground plus 2.5 floors are allowed for construction. Three upcoming and proposed infrastructure projects pushing the demand in Greater Noida area are Jewar Airport, proposed Film City and data center. The process for second phase of land acquisition of Jewar Airport has already begun. Recently, the UP government has also given its approval for setting up of Rs 600 crore data center. For the Film City project, 9 companies have shown interest to prepare a detailed project report.
एक तो वो लोग जो सेकंड हाउस की तलाश में थे, सेकेंडली जो ऑलरेडी फ्लैट में रह रहे हैं और वो वहां से अपनी टुवर्ड्स बेंगलोर या कोठी की तरफ मूव करना चाह रहे हैं. थर्ड कैटेगरी ऑफ कस्टमर्स इज बिग एनआरआईज. जो एनआरआईज स्पेशली फ्रॉम गल्फ, जब वो डेवलपमेंट की न्यूज यहाँ पे सुनते हैं कि एयरपोर्ट आ रहा है, फिल्म सिटी आ रहा है, टॉय सिटी आ रहा है, इतने इंडस्ट्रीज, इतने हाईवेज, इतने बुलेट ट्रेन, तो उनका इंटरेस्ट भी जो है काफी आता है कि लेट्स बाय अ पीस ऑफ लैंड अब बैक टू इंडिया, कभी शायद जाना पड़े जो है. एक वो कैटेगरी भी काफी जो है. प्लस वहाँ के जो किसानों को एक बहुत बड़ा मुआवजा मिला है, वो भी एक बड़े इन्वेस्टर्स वहाँ पर हैं कि चलो इस गांव में जमीन थी कभी हमारी, एक ऐसा प्लॉट तो लेके रखते हैं एक बच्चे 2 बच्चों के लिए कि यहाँ पे उनका घर पर, वो फ्लैट कल्चर के अंदर अडॉप्ट नहीं कर पाते अपने आप को जो. प्लस आसपास के जो दूसरे टाउन्स हैं जैसे मथुरा हो गया, आगरा हो गया, वृंदावन हो गया, अलीगढ़ हो गया, वहाँ के जो लोग नोएडा, ग्रेटर नोएडा के अंदर मूव करना चाहते हैं, तो नोएडा, ग्रेटर नोएडा प्लॉट्स आर वेरी वेरी प्रीमियम प्लॉट जो है. 1 लाख रुपए स्क्वायर मीटर, 2 लाख रुपए स्क्वायर मीटर. एज कम्पेयर टू यमुना इट्स हार्डली 30,000 रुपीज स्क्वायर. तो अगर 30 लाख 40 लाख रुपए के अंदर उनको 100 गज का एक घर, एक प्लॉट मिल जाता है और जिस पे लेटर ऑन वो कभी अपना घर बना सकते हैं, तो वो इनके लिए प्रेफर्ड डेस्टिनेशन जो है वो हो रहा है. और ये बात बिल्कुल ठीक है कि इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा अभी लैंड बैंक नहीं है डेवलपर्स के पास, तो इसलिए ये बड़े लिमिटेड क्वांटिटी में आपको जो है देखने को मिल रहे हैं. या जिनके पास लार्ज टाउनशिप थी या लार्ज एरिया था, उन्होंने अपने आप को चेंज कर लिया है ग्रुप हाउसिंग टू प्लॉटिंग, तो वहाँ पर ही आपको देखने को जो है मिल रहा है.
The city will also have 3 new power substations owing to increase in demand due to a population growth from the current 10 lakh to 25 lakh in the next decade. The Noida Metro Rail Corporation has floated fresh tenders for Aqualine's Greater Noida Corridor, which will run from Sector 51 to Knowledge Park 5. Upcoming infrastructure and developing social amenities will improve the demand and also lead to increase in all property prices, especially residential plots. The area is well served by shopping malls, hospitals, schools and other daily amenities. Considering the lowest home loan rates in the last 15 years and affordability, Greater Noida is rapidly developing as one of the preferred real estate destinations with lower price range and availability of plots. Thank you so much for watching this show. For more, keep watching MBTV and don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Facebook. This is Ravi Kumar Dibakar with cameraman Nitin Rajput.
Don't forget to subscribe to MBTV on YouTube and press the bell icon to get the latest videos.